What's up, Mckenzie Fam? We are back with another video, and we about to kill it with the 2-time spicy 10-piece of chicken challenge. We've been waiting on y'all. I'm relax. I'm getting hot just thinking about it. I'm sweating. I ain't had nothing yet. Y'all already know I don't eat spicy food, but I jumped on the challenge. I was like, I'm with it. I was just so excited to be a part of something. I need a hug. Okay, here we go, y'all. I got my 10 pieces. You know what, Pam? Bring me. We went to KFC. You know, we went to Popeyes and got some chicken first, and that chicken was just like, wah, wah, wah. So Pam had to go ahead and whip up a batch of chicken right here at the house, and here we are about to kill it. Yes, so I hope I got the right one. Just select the right one, right, y'all? Bam, 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 bam. Spicy. Okay, I'm breaking the seal right here in front of the Mckenzie Fam and the Mckenzie Fam visitors. Thank you for rocking with us as always. Boom, breaking the seal on them. Oh, y'all, look at this. I just want to show the world. This what came from Popeyes, y'all.
Ridiculous.
Y'all see this chicken? Look. Well, just look at that on top of that. Look at that. That what Popeyes charged us, what, almost $20 for this. Yeah, for 10 pieces. 20 bucks for 10 pieces. Look. Anyway, that's what that was. And I'm like, you know what? If I try to do the challenge, people gonna be like, Bruce, you just being too slick right now with them little teeny tiny pieces of chicken. And I ain't a trickster. Bam! Even though y'all might think I'm a trickster, because y'all saw how we got down on that Dirty Dozen challenge. But we are about to kill this chicken. I got my first piece right here. It said shake it up real good. Y'all, this is crazy. I'm kind of scared because I don't eat spicy stuff like this. It's a whole nother seal up inside here. Let me see. Here we go. This ain't no time limit on this. I don't think it's a time limit, so I can just kind of like. Now, it would be so funny if B Loves Life and Prissy P and all and Tray NeeNee and Dame, all these people, if they was pranking all of us little YouTubers, and they wasn't even eating the spicy stuff. They were just tricking us into doing it, and they sitting at home cracking up laughing at all these new YouTubers trying to grind to get online. That would be funny. That would be funny to me. Oh, baby, you bought me. That's when I get done, huh?
Yeah.
I can't drink, but she got me a big old giant cup of peach nectar on deck. Look at my ice. Y'all know I'm gonna need this ice. You know what? Trey, he wasn't really with it, but I'm gonna be with the spray. If you want to spray me, I'm getting hot. Can y'all see? I'm getting hot right now.
Right.
Heck
I'm just
yeah.
getting it ready.
Can we do that? Is that legal? Can I get some spray? I might try to open my mouth and drink some.
Right.
Okay, y'all. I'm about to get started. Y'all ready? Ain't no time on this, so all I gotta do is
shake it up.
I shook it.
Okay, let's go.
All right, fam. Here we go. I'm gonna put it over the top of these. Oh goodness. Oh, it just pours right out. Oh, shoot. Oh, I can smell it. Yeah, y'all see that right there. Get some on the bottom. Is that good, baby? Okay. All right, here we go, y'all.
You don't want to pour it on the rest?
Well, this is just dripping down now. I'm just gonna try and handle this one first.
Okay. Come on.
It do have a good taste to it. It's just burning. Oh, okay. So I think that thing to do is keep a lot of meat in my mouth. Okay. 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 Wait a minute. Oh, goodness. I think Tray didn't Tray drink something? Huh? Pam?
Huh?
Didn't Tray drink something? Didn't he have a sip?
I don't.
Oh,
You know
my lip.
Just keep going, babe.
Go ahead. Okay, wait a minute.
It's just
Oh,
it's so hot.
okay. Let me see what you trying. Oh, goodness.
Just keep going. They said 15 minutes,
Huh?
They said 15 minutes.
Oh, I gotta do some 10, 15 minutes?
I don't know how many. 10 minutes.
10 minutes?
Look.
I thought there wasn't no time on this. Huh?
Oh, I don't watch so many. I'm getting confused.
You can't do that to me right now, Pam. Can't do that to me right now.
Okay.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Oh, Sheila, you can't drink.
Oh, Lord.
You should have prayed before you started.
Oh, jeez. Oh, goodness. Oh, I wish Xavier was here. He would kill us. I know him and Mark would kill this. Oh. It's like it's getting hotter. Ah.
And the chicken.
Yes. The chicken is so hot. That's straight pieces, y'all. Oh. And it boy shot me right in the back of the throat, the first piece. Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness. Y'all see that, right? Oh, no. Oh, no. I'm going to finish this. I told y'all I'm a challenge killer. Oh, can I just... Oh. Look at me napkin. Oh, man.
Okay, that's enough, babe. We don't do hot. That's enough. You want to stop?
Y'all, look how she did me. She set my cup right here in front of me.
That's how you can grab it.
Oh, my goodness. Crazy thing is, it tastes good. It's hot. Okay. 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 Mind over matter. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm-hmm. Goodness. Y'all, I was laughing at y'all. I I was laughing at y'all doing this challenge. I'm sorry for laughing at y'all. I take back every little giggle, every snicker. Who was that? Who's that one brother? He cried and everything. He was whining.
Oh, Ayo Trav.
Ayo Trav, man, you had me dying laughing.
He part of Epic.
And I was like, don't no grown man respond like that. When nigga be up here crying too. This is hot. What am Okay. See, if you eat spicy stuff, I know this is so, so easy. Oh my goodness. Y'all. Oh my goodness.
You can't have nothing to drink. I see you looking at me, but I can't give you nothing.
Oh goodness, y'all. There's a big old cup of ice. Oh goodness.
You had to put some. Trey said you had to put some.
I know, babe, but if I'm gonna do it, I gotta do it right now. I gotta go hard. It's like it's getting hotter. Oh, goodness. I don't want anybody to see me snotting and carrying on all out here in these YouTube streets. Oh, it's like it hurt to breathe.
You better stop, babe.
I'm trying to do it without my teeth. Without my without my lips touching.
Baby, don't do hard. That's enough. You tried.
Oh my god. Get over there. Here, burn.
Let me see your eyes. They turning red.
I believe it. Oh goodness. See, I gotta represent the Mckenzie Fam. Everybody came on here with their YouTube channel and did their thing. They represent all their subbies. I gotta represent my subbies. I ain't giving up on y'all. Fam is in the door. We in the building. Come
on, babe. Excuse me.
Oh! Oh, goodness. This is okay. We won't be doing no more spicy challenges, though. I tell you that much.
No way.
Oh, it hurt to swallow. Don't worry, Mckenzie Fam. The moments is in the building. The moments is in the building. We're gonna finish this. 3 more people. It got the nerve to taste good. It just burned. Oh, no more spicy. I bet you wish you ate that little Popeye chicken now.
That's right.
Oh. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I don't think there's a time on this.
Yeah, I think it's 10 minutes. 10 minutes. No, 10 spice, 10 2-time spicy chicken leg challenge. Right, it's not a time on this. It's whether you can eat them, get them all down.
Oh goodness. It burned all the way down. It's gonna burn all the way through. I just thought about that part. Mckenzie Fam. Oh goodness. Oh goodness. Oh goodness.
What is it anytime?
Y'all.
Yes, in 15 minutes.
Oh my goodness.
I set the timer for 10 minutes, so we off. It's supposed to be 15-minute timer. I cut you 5 minutes short.
That's okay.
We'll look back at it and see when you first took the first bite, okay? Get your true time.
Y'all see me crying? Y'all see? Please subscribe.
Yeah.
Please like my video.
That's right. Like,
Bruce out there
share.
crying. I need subscribers, y'all. I'm just looking for a family.
Did you blow your nose, babe?
It's burning my nose. It's burning everything. It's burning my face. Hey,
Come on, you got
it's
to
burning
go
all.
fast.
Is
You
it
talking
on my
too
face?
much.
I'm trying to
You
get.
talking too much. You got
No. It's like you can't put more hot sauce on top of the hot sauce. You don't get used to it. I thought I was gonna get used to it and just eat through it. You don't get used to it. Give me another napkin. That one,
Okay,
I
but
think
this one don't have enough on it.
I wipe.
That one don't have enough. It didn't.
I wipe my face with this and it's like pepper spray or
Okay,
something. It's burning my face. All of my nose is burning.
I was just trying to do it. Put sauce on the chicken. Come on, babe. You probably
Okay.
need the 15 minutes.
I thought ain't no time. What you trying to make me rush for?
15 minutes.
Hey, you better go on. You better go on.
2-time spicy chicken leg challenge in 15 minutes.
Okay, here we go.
Do you? Oh, okay, that's it. That's it. Hey, that's it. You hear me?
I'm not.
We gonna shut it down, y'all. For real. Look at you too red and everything.
I'm too black to red.
No, you're
I turn burgundy.
not. You joking. Go on. Take that bite. Stop. Oh, my goodness. It ain't worth it. You hear me? Are you looking at me? That's enough.
Pour the juice. Y'all, I couldn't go no further. I just
You better not go. No
I just sucked it down my throat. And in my throat real bad. Oh my goodness. She stopped pouring the juice and walked away.
I'm sorry. I'm trying to get to you. I told you to stop anyway.
Oh, good.
Just do my nose. We don't do
I need a straw.
You better stuck up some of that ice. them soup coolers. You don't want to straw for that.
You know, I got this sensitive tooth in the back, y'all. I think I got hot sauce in it. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I had 3 left, y'all. I tried to represent for us, Mckenzie Fam. I am a challenge killer, but I can't hang with the spicy stuff. I can't hang with the spicy stuff, y'all. I tried. Only thing spicy in my life is my woman. That's it. That's it. Woo!
Drink some more. Drink some more.
Oh, goodness.
You are sweating.
I gotta eat gargle it. It's in my throat. Oh my God. Well, we tried, y'all. We gave it our best. We fought like true warriors. At the end of the day, that hot sauce was just doing this thing. What they call it? The hot sauce again?
The same name.
I won't be eating no more. Ain't nothing left to do but
Hot chicken.
prank the kids with it or something.
No, they not. No way. You got 3 chickens today?
I just dip my lips inside the cup right now. Oh, that feels so good. Oh, that's what I need to do.
See, that's too much. We just be eating it like it's just ketchup. She put it in everything.
See, I guess that was I don't know, maybe chauvinistic side of me. I'm thinking about shoot, that little old woman can eat it like it ain't nothing. I know I got this. Chrissy P did it too, thank you, man. Y'all not right.
She didn't finish. Rayshawn
She didn't finish?
did. Did she finish? It's been a while since I watched it.
Chrissy P, did you finish?
Y'all, it took us forever to do this. Yeah, did you tell them about
Amazon took forever with this sauce. The spicy thing in my kitchen is doing the cooking. Y'all, we gonna bring this video to the end. We tried. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and that's it. These 3, I didn't finish this one. These two are safe, baby, if you want to put them to the side for a sandwich or something. But this one right here is not to be fooled with. Y'all keep y'all receipts, because they be lying in these streets.